got an email question. Let's go to that real quick.
Awesome.
I need to file for bankruptcy soon, but I'm about to move to Georgia. Should I file now or wait until I do everything for my new location? This needs to happen pretty soon either way. Melissa. Michael, why don't you give a best shot there?
All right, Melissa. Well, this is actually a pretty straightforward question because it really comes down to a question of who has jurisdiction. If you're currently living in Florida, you've been residing in Florida for a while, or same with Alabama. If you're living in Alabama, have been residing there for at least the last 6 months, then they would still have jurisdiction so long as your driver's license matches the address where you're living when you file your bankruptcy case. I've had clients who they filed bankruptcy with me while they're living in Florida, literally packed their car and everything up and moved to North Dakota before they had their first hearing in their bankruptcy case, and Florida jurisdiction was fine. What it really comes down to is what's going on in your situation and what are you trying to protect in terms of assets and equity exemptions, because each state is going to have different equity exemptions. So for example, if you're in Alabama, you may have one set of exemptions for equity, like when it comes to homestead or personal property, which is different than Florida, which is different than Georgia. So the best thing that you could do would be to talk to somebody now. You know, we offer free consultations for things like that to go ahead and answer those questions and address those issues that you have out there so we can determine, hey, is it going to be best for you to go ahead and file in Florida now, or is it best for you to look towards going to do something in Georgia in the event that you're going to be in more of a long-term bankruptcy? And it would just be based on what was best for your situation.
So you're going to have a consult probably with Mr. Wynn, because some of the bankruptcy laws are certainly good here in the state of Florida versus Georgia.
Absolutely.
I can tell you that for sure.